Petroholod is one of the 7 biggest ice cream producers in Russia and the top seller. They keep up manufacturing traditions and implement innovations to ensure excellent quality. Let us watch 2 of their manufacturing lines. Cake Concepts creates new and innovative cake machines for all bakeries all over the world. Maraka is a company operating in Sri Lanka. Maraka is a brand of packaged-rich fruit concentrate. Maraka brings in the natural goodness of the fruits to the people as a feed alternative to all the processed and healthy options. DSI is a global leader in fully automatic and manually operated plate flipping solutions. Their solutions meet the most rigorous requirements of the food industry and can be used for virtually all freezing applications. CPF is a company based in Thailand, developing food products with the aim to deliver great taste, utmost convenience, and a variety of healthy foods, in line with changing trends and different life stages of consumers. They produce under international manufacturing standards. Let us watch their tumbling production. Mare products and solutions help fish processors optimize yield, quality, throughput, and other critical factors across the whole value chain, ranging from individual units for specific processes such as weighting, cutting, and bone removal, to complete solutions such as grading, filleting, portion counting, and slicing lines. The equipment is built for the harsh fish processing environment with hygiene and safety always in mind.
Lucas, since the beginning of their story, they seek to improve their processes as well as to understand people's needs. They always keep in mind that a passionate person is a happy person. That's why they are passionate about people and their churros. Producing churros, kibbeh, lukump, and other delicacies.
AMF, from mixer to marketplace, fully integrated production solutions featuring best-in-class bakery equipment. They combine their master baker mindset with innovative complete system solutions with localized support, globally to empower bakeries to rise.